Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you once again, as always, for tuning into my 2341st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. Traders, we're at an interesting spot this week. The OMNI, although it flipped a couple of times, didn't really mean much to me. It is now starting to flip like a fish out of water. The OMNI flip-flopping is beginning to concern me. Now, what happens when we get massive flip-flopping? In other words, if during a 5-day period OMNI has a flip and then a couple of days later has a flip, normal play. When OMNI starts going Monday up, Tuesday down, Wednesday up, Thursday down, when it starts to do that, that begins to concern me. That means we are getting ready to vacate the area. I happen to have a red OMNI signal for trading on Thursday, so I guess if we are going to start to vacate, it might be the downside, and we will look to sell the rallies in E-mini S&P or the Russell 2000 for trading on Thursday. We know that this is a risky game, so if you are going to do any trading, put your stops in, put them in first, and never, ever trade futures, options, or anything at all without placing those stops, okay? It's a very risky game. Number one on the board, again, OMNI flip-flopping is beginning to concern me. I'll show you a chart. Saturday, traders, thank you for joining me for that quick webinar on Wednesday. That was to just prepare you for what's coming at you on Saturday. I promise you, if you join the Metastock seminar for this Saturday, the link will be below this video, I will teach you things I've only taught here in person, live in Las Vegas, if you are with me in my home office. It's never been in a YouTube video. It's never been out there before. The techniques I'm willing to share. Now, I'll be honest with you, there's no shot I'm giving you cats at OmniCamp online, but I will give you some really interesting goods that will help you trade ETFs, cryptocurrency, stocks, futures, commodities, you name it, it applies to all of it. And I will be sharing these techniques with you for 3 full hours this Saturday. Don't forget, make sure you sign up for that Metastock Traders Conference. And I'm the only trader who'll be conferring with you. I'm looking forward to it. It's exclusive. Number 3 on the board, Crude. Crude is not in the mood. I don't like the way Crude looks. I haven't for a couple of days. I've expressed that to my Omniacs in the trading room. And now I'm going to show that to you on a chart. So, charts will depict the flip-flopping in OMNI and why it's beginning to concern me, and why Crude does not look like it's in the mood to go up anymore, at least for day trading. Traders, one last thing before we go. Hey, Frankie, good job signing on, baby. Frankie, I love the name. He's coming to OmniCamp. We've got 2 seats left, and that's it. So I've finally qualified another 2 seats left open to be qualified for at this December's OmniCamp. It is December 9th through the 14th. You will be with me in my home office, literally, from a Thursday when you show up in town till Monday when the course is over. So it's a long weekend, but I will teach you how to call the OMNI exactly as you see me doing it. There's no second OmniCamp. There's no upsell, and only 5 of you are invited ever. And I only do this 4 times a year. It's very exclusive. There's 2 open seats. Now, lots of people send in applications and call, and they do not make the qualification. You have to see if you qualify. Does not mean that you need experience. You can be a complete novice, and I more than welcome you. I'll teach you. Just depends on who you are. So, fill out your applications. Call me if you need to, 702-629-4755. Go to OMNI BOOTCAMP, fill out your application there if you want to come to OmniCamp. Quickest way to find me is just go to livewithoscar.com, click Chat Live with Oscar, and go into the free trading room and tell me, hey, Oscar, I want to come to camp, and I'll qualify you for a seat. Make sure you hurry, the 9th through the 14th of December, and we've got to make preparations for you. So call me now, contact me now. With no further ado, let's go! Look at some charts. By the way, like and share all these videos for me if you don't mind, and subscribe to my channel. Traders, E-mini S&P, OMNI flips to a red signal. Now, OMNI's been literally flipping almost daily like this, and I don't like when that happens. That begins to concern me. That means we are getting ready to vacate the area, and I kid you not, we will vacate this area. I'm sorry, kids. I'm speaking and writing at the same time. We're going to vacate this area, and looks to me like it might be the downside because, see that? We fell back underneath that channel. And I don't like when we're under that channel, and I don't think the street does either. So let's see what's going to happen there. Now look at Dow Jones Industrial Average. Same sort of thing. It has fallen out of the channel, or I should say it fell out of the channel here. It failed getting in the channel and has created a bear flag, which I'll blow up for you because that's pretty small. So this is what I'm looking at. See how we failed at the channel? Tried to get in there, couldn't, and now this is the form of a bear flag, which is already starting to break. And I've got a red OMNI, so I'm going for selling the rallies for trading on Thursday in E-mini S&P. And then there's Crude. Now, the same sort of thing going on here. Out of the channel, tried to get back in the channel and failed, and now is creating some downward pressure. And here's what I think Crude is doing. I think it's creating a new channel in this direction. That's what's starting to form now. You see it? I think that's what we're getting now. We had the upwards channel for a long time. But now we're starting to get a downwards one, and it could easily sit in here and do this for a while. So that's what I wanted to show you, traders. Make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. Absolutely good luck trading out there on Thursday. Make sure you see me in my live trading room. Like and share these videos. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you at livewithoscar.com.